Okay, hello everybody. Now, I don't know if you can see this, but just driving home for about 15 minutes with my car out the window, my arm out the car window today, gave me a pretty good burn on my arm. Anyway, that's one thing. The other thing is this windstorm that's taking place. And I'm pretty sure it's part of, it's part of the plan, I know that much. They're forcing the wind upon us and the rain, like in Mississippi for the flooding. Because, truth be told, they're trying to make the Mississippi River 300 miles, I believe, longer or wider than it is. That way it can go directly up to the Madrid fault line, and that will cause a horrendous earthquake, which with enough water will split the earth right there. And that's what these global elitist plan is. And if you don't believe me, I think it's either Mike Morales or Florida Marquis, one of those two will tell you, will have that information and probably, pictures to prove it. But I'm always told, like, I subscribe to emergencymail.org, which is gives you all the emergency weather forecasts that are coming and sends you an alert to tell you that, what's going to happen, what time we're at. And I received this one yesterday. emergencynetwork.org, I think is what it's called. And I was told that this was going to happen yesterday, and so the alert time it'll be, I received a couple of them actually. So this isn't really in full effect yet, but it's just starting to, and in Fort Mojave today, I'm a merchandiser, I was working over there, and I wasn't quite finished. I'd been there for a couple hours, and sure enough, one of the workers came over the intercom and said that associates and customers to immediately leave the store, to exit the store immediately is what they said. And so I don't know exactly what happened because I had to leave, but I know that by the time I got to my car, just from the time she told us to go, I heard the first set of sirens, and I'm behind a long line of cars waiting to get out onto the Highway 95, and I could see it looked like a state trooper that had one way you could, where the stoplight is the main way you can get to the Walmart. He was blocking that, and so as I'm heading out on the Highway 95, here comes a sheriff in an SUV with a siren, and then just a couple minutes after that, it was a unmarked SUV with their siren. And then when I got over into Bullhead City, it turned out I saw another Bullhead police officer that was headed that way. So I don't know what happened, but I just know that whatever it was pretty big, I think. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and sign off for now, and maybe a little bit later when this windstorm really gets to kicking up, I'll record some more. Okay.